Are you ready to discover a Greek island like no other? Welcome to Milos, a hidden gem in the Aegean that promises lunar landscapes, stunning beaches, and a vibe that's both relaxed and adventurous. Forget the crowds of Santorini and Mykonos. Milos is where natural beauty meets unique history. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know for an unforgettable trip to Milos, covering the best beaches, charming villages, and insider tips. Let's dive in. Our journey begins at Sarakiniko Beach. Imagine stark white volcanic rock formations meeting bright blue water, creating a landscape so surreal it feels like you're on the moon. The rock formations have been carved by waves over centuries, making this beach a unique spot for both swimming and exploring. Local tip: visit early in the morning or just before sunset for the best light and fewer people. Don't forget to bring water shoes. Those rocks can get slippery and they're rough on bare feet. If you're a fan of photography, you'll want to capture this spot from every angle, so get creative with your shots. Next, let's head to Kleftiko, one of the most famous sites on Milos. Accessible only by boat, this area is a series of white cliffs and caves that were once used by pirates as a hideout. Today, it's a paradise for swimmers and snorkelers who want to explore the underwater caves and archways. Local tip: book a boat tour from Adamas, the main port of Milos, which includes snorkeling equipment and refreshments. Try to book in advance during peak season, as Kleftiko is a popular spot. The boat ride alone is an adventure, with stunning views of the coastline along the way. Pollonia, the charming fishing village. Pollonia is a quiet fishing village located on the northeastern coast of Milos. Known for its calm beaches, delicious seafood restaurants, and cozy vibes, Pollonia is a perfect spot to unwind after exploring the wilder landscapes of Milos. The village is also a gateway to the island of Kimolos, which is only a short ferry ride away. Local tip: for a memorable meal, try Armanaki or Inalian, two of Pollonia's top restaurants known for their fresh seafood and traditional Greek dishes. Pollonia is an ideal spot to stay if you want a peaceful base with easy access to other parts of the island. Sarakiniko Beach, where tradition meets tranquility. Sarakiniko Beach is a small bay framed by traditional fishermen's houses and a picturesque church on the hill. The bay's calm, crystal-clear waters make it perfect for swimming, while the surrounding scenery makes it feel like stepping into a postcard. Local tip: parking is limited, so aim to visit in the early morning or late afternoon to secure a spot. Bring a snorkel to explore the underwater beauty. And don't forget to visit the church for a sweeping view over the beach. Plaka, the capital of Milos with sunset views. For those seeking a bit of culture and history, Plaka, the island's capital, is a must-visit. This charming hilltop village has narrow streets, whitewashed houses, and vibrant bougainvillea. Plaka is home to several museums, including the Archaeological Museum of Milos, where you can learn about the island's history, and a folklore museum. Local tip: Plaka Castle, Castro, offers one of the best sunset views on the island. Take a short hike up to the castle just before sunset, and you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the Aegean Sea and surrounding islands. After enjoying the breathtaking sunset from Plaka Castle, Castro, consider dining at Methismini Pollicia, another excellent restaurant in Plaka. Known for its warm atmosphere and traditional Greek dishes, it serves specialties like slow-cooked lamb and fresh seafood. Perfect for a relaxed evening with authentic flavors. Papafragas Beach, the hidden pool. Papafragas is a unique, narrow cove that feels like a natural pool, surrounded by tall cliffs and accessible through a small opening in the rocks. Papafragas is ideal for a quick swim in crystal-clear water or just admiring the scenery. It's small, secluded, and feels like a hidden gem. Local tip: be prepared for a short but steep climb down to reach the beach, so wear good shoes and pack light. The best time to visit is mid-morning, as the cove can be too shadowed early in the day. Plus, arriving earlier means you'll avoid the small crowds that gather later on. Adamas, the heart of Milos. Adamas is the main port town and a bustling hub with restaurants, shops and nightlife. It's the best place to stay if you want a central location with easy access to the island's beaches and tours. Adamas also has a rich mining history, as Milos is known for its volcanic minerals. Local tip: check out the Milos Mining Museum to learn about the island's unique geology and mining industry. Adamas is also where you'll find many of the boat tours departing for Kleftiko. And if you're in the mood for some local nightlife, Akri Bar offers good music and drinks with a great view of the port. Klima, a rainbow of fishermen's houses. Klima is an iconic fishing village on Milos, famous for its colourful samatas, traditional houses with vividly painted doors right by the water. The village is nestled between cliffs and the sea, creating a picturesque scene that's especially beautiful at sunset. Local tip: visit Klima in the evening when the sun casts a golden glow over the village, reflecting on the water and creating the perfect photo backdrop. Astakas is a great restaurant here for seafood, and dining by the water at sunset is an experience you won't forget. Tsigrado Beach, for the adventurous. Tsigrado Beach is a hidden gem tucked between high cliffs and accessible only by climbing down a steep ladder and ropes. This secluded beach offers clear, deep waters, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. It's one of Milos's best-kept secrets, with a hint of adventure. Local tip: this beach requires some climbing skills, so it's best suited for the more adventurous. Bring a beach bag that's easy to carry on your back, as you'll need both hands for the climb. Visit early in the day to avoid crowds and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Tripoti, the catacombs and ancient theatre. Tripoti is home to the catacombs of Milos, an ancient burial site dating back to early Christianity, and a well-preserved Roman theatre overlooking the sea. The catacombs are an important archaeological site and offer a fascinating glimpse into the island's history. Local tip: the catacombs can only be visited with a guided tour, which adds depth to the experience. Plaka Beach, colourful cliffs and crystal waters. Plaka is one of the most beautiful beaches on Milos, featuring dramatic cliffs with colourful layers of volcanic rock. The water here is shallow, making it ideal for swimming, and there are plenty of spots to relax on the sandy shore. Local tip: there's a small beach bar where you can grab a drink or a snack, but it's best to bring your essentials. Plaka is spacious, so even on busy days you can usually find a peaceful spot. Arrive early to claim a spot near the cliffs for shade. Agia Kiriaki Beach, a hidden paradise. Agia Kiriaki is a lesser-known beach on Milos, with soft sand and crystal-clear water. It's perfect if you want a quieter beach experience away from the main tourist spots. There's a small taverna here where you can enjoy a simple, authentic Greek meal. Local tip: this beach is quite exposed to the sun, so bring plenty of sunscreen and maybe even a beach umbrella. It's a beautiful spot for relaxing and enjoying the natural scenery without the crowds. And that's your ultimate guide to Milos. From lunar landscapes and pirate coves to charming villages and secluded beaches, this island truly has something for everyone. Milos is a place where adventure and relaxation come together, offering the perfect getaway in the Greek islands. Which spot on Milos are you most excited to explore? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.